And I'm sure you'll have a great time, mate. So, many happy returns tomorrow, pal. Let's hand you to this now. We'll play another one of Mick's favourites. And why not? Let's spoil him. It is his birthday very soon. So, let's hand you to this.
My heart was broken. My heart was broken. Sorrow, 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 sorrow. My heart was broken. My heart was broken. You saw it. You claimed it, you touched it, you saved it. My tears are drying, my tears are drying. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. My tears are drying. My tears are drying. Your beauty and kindness made tears clear my blindness. While I'm worth my room on this earth, I will be. Sunshine on me, I'll thank him for his work in your birth and my birth. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You touched it, you saved it. While I'm worth my room on this earth, I will be with you. While the chief with sunshine on me, I'll find
That's the Proclaimers. We'll do that concert, Mick, that's for sure. You never know, they might just spring a tour up next year, you never know. But we're going to do that one, pal, that's a definite. And a very good night to a Paulie Sam Hall. And get well, Sam, soon. And I hope the tablets kick in and do the business. And get well soon, Sam, and we'll look forward to seeing you very soon. We're carrying on, everybody. We've just gone over the 2-hour mark, so we've still got another hour of tunes, but it's not all 100 miles an hour. Oh, no. And let's hand you to this one now, and it's one of my favourites. It's Mike and the Mechanics with Living Years. What a great tune.
Wish I could have told him in the living years.
So say it, say it, say it loud. Say it clear. Come on, say it clear. As well as you hear. It's too late. It's too late when we die. It's too late when we die. We don't see eye to eye. Hey, so say it, say it, say it loud. Say it loud. Say it. Come on, say it clear.
Mr. Paul Carrick with Mike and the Mechanics. What a voice to this band and this great tune. Over this band, Toto. What a tune.